Today, we take a moment to soften from within, letting our body relax and our heart come home with each breath. Let's take a slow breath in and let it ease gently out. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and imagine a warm wave of relaxation flowing downward. Feel your forehead softening. Relax your jaw. Allow your shoulders to settle. Wherever you notice tension, offer it a little kindness. No pushing, no forcing, just permission to melt. Let this wave of relaxation drift down your arms, your back, your chest, your belly, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. Take another slow, deep breath and silently repeat. With every breath, my body relaxes and my heart returns home. As you exhale, feel your body unwind, grounded and steady. May this relaxation follow you wherever you go today.